Hello friends, today's topic, first time in history, DII is holding more stocks than FIIs. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. For the first time ever, domestic institutional investors have surpassed foreign institutional investors in terms of holding in Indian equity. This has happened as FIIs had been continuously selling in Indian markets due to the global economic uncertainty and market volatility. As of the March 2025 quarter, DII has held about 16.91% of the Indian stocks compared to FIIs who held around 16.84%. The holdings by FIIs fell to a 50-quarter low in January-March 2025 quarter. DIIs hold assets worth around 69.80 lakh crores, while FIIs hold around 69.58 lakh crore. Here is a graph of FIIs holding versus DIIs holding, and you can see how the DIIs have caught up. Approximate FIIs versus DIIs holding over the years. June 2009, approximate FIIs holding 13.45 versus DIIs holding 11.39%. March 2012, FIIs 15% and DIIs 11%. September 2014, FIIs 19.5 versus 10.40 DIIs. March 2017, FIIs 19.7 whereas DIIs 11.7. December 2019, FIIs 19.7 versus DIIs 14%. March 2022, FIIs 18% and approximate DIIs holding 14%. March 2025, FIIs holding 16.84%, approximate DIIs holding 16.91%. DII's holding was able to cross FII holding because since September 2024, DIIs have been net buyers over 3.97 lakh crores, whereas FIIs have been net sellers worth around 2.06 lakh crores. DIIs include Indian mutual funds, insurance companies, pension funds, banks and financial institutions. The main source of funds for mutual funds, insurance companies and pension funds are retail investors and HNIs. Except for the last few months, more and more retail investors have been investing via SIPs in mutual funds. This is a very good sign for the Indian markets, especially for retail investors. The trend of rising domestic investors' participation is not new. Since 2021, DIIs have consistently invested more than FIIs in terms of net investments. 2021, FIIs net investment 26,000 crores, DIIs net investment 98,000 crores. 2022, FIIs minus 1.28 lakhs and DIIs 2.76 lakh crores. 2023, FIIs 1.74 lakh crores and DIIs 1.81 lakh crores. 2024, FIIs net investment minus 8,000 crores, DIIs net investment 5.23 lakh crores. 2025, so far, FIIs net investment minus 1.07 lakhs, whereas DIIs net investment 2.10 lakh crores. Although FIIs continue to play an important role in Indian markets, due to their selling in the last several months, they have played a less significant role compared to DIIs. DIIs have been able to stabilize the markets even when there has been high volatility in the global stock markets. In spite of so much awareness of mutual funds in India, only around 5.3 crore unique investors, although there are more than 23 crore mutual fund folios, that means accounts. So the number of mutual fund investors will increase significantly over the years. With this, DIIs will hold higher value of assets in Indian markets. Many years back, Indian markets were heavily dependent on FIIs since DIIs used to invest relatively smaller amounts. However, this trend has changed after Corona since awareness about stock markets and financial management went up during the lockdown and subsequent months. More investors and more financial literacy is good for the stock markets as a whole. End of the video, here is the question. When did you first become serious about investing in stock markets and mutual funds? type the year in the comment section. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. Video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.